So hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to interface MQ series sensor with the LPC2148 microcontroller. So in the MQ series microcontroller, for this particular tutorial we are going to interface alcohol sensor, that is MQ3. So the coding as well as the connection diagram will be same for other MQ series sensors like MQ2, MQ135, MQ6, MQ7. Okay, so we are having n number of MQ series sensors. Out of that, we are going to interface MQ3 sensor. So first I will explain you the coding part. Then we'll meet for hardware connection and the demo. So in order to make the code and you need two things. One is the Kill Microvision 5 IDE, another one is the Flash Magic. So Kill Microvision 5 IDE you need to install. So installation instruction is given prior of this tutorial. So you can go and you can check it out how to install the Kill Microvision 5. After that, what you have to do, you have to open this Kill Microvision. After opening the Kill Microvision 5, then what will happen? You need to create the new Microvision project. For that, you need to click project, then click on the new Microvision project. Once you will click, it will come like this. So what you have to do, I will suggest you always whenever you are creating new project, then create new folder first and give the name. I'm giving the name MQ series sensor. Okay, so this is my folder name. Okay, in that folder name we have to create one file. That file you can give any name, but I'm giving MQ series, MQ sensor or alcohol sensor. Let's give alcohol. Okay, so then we have to save it. So after doing this one, what will happen? One pop-up will come. In that we have to select the legacy device, and then we have to give the microcontroller name LPC2148. So like this it will come. If it is not there, means legacy issue, so you have to download the legacy file. Click OK, and then we have to allow the, or we have to provide the yes for copy startup.s to project folder. So once doing this one, the startup file already added. Now what we have to do, we have to what we have to do, we have to file. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to create a new file. So add new item to group, and we have to select the C file. Then you give the name as an file name. So I am giving the name as an file main.c. Okay, so then what will happen? Main.c file already added and given the name. So two way we can do it. In this tutorial, I am showing like how to give the file name main.c. Another tutorial I will show you in a different way how we can create one .c file. So then after creating the .c file, what we have to do, we have to uh, you know like we have to that whatever code I already written, that code we have to copy here. In your case, you can download from the app and you can paste it here. Okay, so this I pasted. Now you have to do the Control S. After doing this one, what we have to do, we have to right click on the target option for target. Then you have to check it like crystal value will be should be the 12 megahertz, and we have to click on the use micro lib. Then click on the output, click on create hex file, and then click on the linker and use memory layout from target. So these three settings you need to do, and then click OK. After doing this one, when you will do this one, so like this it will come. Okay, so now first I will explain you the code, then we'll move for the next part. Okay, so this is like has included LPC2148 and uh, so like this I'm going to explain you. So this is like has include LPC2148 and like this has include is nothing but header file we are including because we are dealing with the LPC 214. So the GPI related header files, everything we can get it from here. So once we will include it, everything will get included. And this is like one bit shifting for a normal generic purpose. We used one macros. So bit x is equal to nothing but one left shifted by x time. So whatever x value will provide, that time it will shift. And the one delay we are giving, that is nothing 70,000 delay normal it will come. And then MQ we are what we are doing, we given the name as an MQ, and we are connecting the output pin of the MQ to pin number 24. Okay, so that's all about this one. And once we'll do this one, then what will happen, unsign it one character I am taking. And this is all the function declaration related to our LPC 2148. This is a function declaration. So now what is this? So first function declaration is nothing but LCD initialization. Another one is the data. Third one is the command. And another one is the string. So that LCD initialization is nothing but we are setting which place the cursor and where to move it. What should be the string, and the LCD should light should glow or not. For related to that, all the commands will be there in the LCD initialization definition part. And the two thing is there, that is one is the data and command. So when first we have to pass the command, then we have to pass the data in order to print the values on the LCD. These all are the pin this one um, so this one is like yeah. So this one here, what I am going to do here, I am doing what here I am just making the port 1, port 0, pin number 0 to 11 as an output. Okay, so this 3 FFF means till 12 pins it will become as an output. Then I'm making IO1 DIR port 1 as an output only, and sorry, port 1 I'm making as an input. If we are assigning the value 0, the entire port lines will become input, and in this case it will become as an output. Then I am initializing the LCD, and I am by passing this command 0 cross 80, it will come to the first line of the uh, it will come to first line of your first line of this it will come on the LCD. So then what we have to do, we have to set like uh, this one. So let us I need to do some modification here. So let us do, we have to delete this one, and we have to uncomment this one. Okay, so what we are doing, now this I am uncommenting it. So what will happen first, we are setting the LCD command to first line of the LCD. Then in a while one loop, what I am doing, I am reading the value of MQ sensor, and once it is equals to 0, that time I am printing alcohol detected, and I am giving this much of delay. So what will happen when you will spray some perfume or something which liquid is having the alcohol content, that particular time it will show on the LCD alcohol detected. Okay, so these all are the function definitions related to LCD initialization, and this is for command. Okay, so that's all about this tutorial, and this one is like I already explained in the LCD part, like how to pass the data. Okay, so and this one is like LCD command related data. So this we are doing. So that's all about this part. And after this code explanation, you can generate the hex file. After generating the hex file, we will upload the hex file, and then on the hardware connection and all I will show. Okay, so we'll meet in the hardware connection part now. Thanks. So hello guys, this is the hardware setup for alcohol sensor. So in this tutorial, we already know what is alcohol sensor, what is like MQ series sensor. So alcohol sensor is a part of MQ series sensor, MQ2, MQ135, MQ3 and MQ6, MQ7. These all are the part of MQ series sensor. So if you are able to interface any one of the sensor, then you will be in a position to interface all the sensor, because the operation and the functionality will be same only. Okay, the interfacing, the code, everything will be same only, and wiring connection will be also same. The thing is only you can use based on your different application, based on your requirement, you can select the sensor from the MQ series. So just for a demo purpose, or just for idea about the MQ series sensor, here we are implementing MQ series sensor. In that we are using MQ3. So MQ3 sensor is alcohol sensor. This one MQ3 we are using, you can see it here. MQ2 smoke detection sensor, MQ135 air quality sensor. So for our demo purpose we are using this MQ3 sensor. So it is having 4 wires. One is like VCC, ground in digital output and analog output. So we only need 3 wires: VCC, ground and output. So what we are doing, so VCC of this alcohol sensor we are connecting with the 5 volt of LPC2148 module, and ground we are connecting with the ground. Output of this we are connecting with the port 1 pin number 24. Talking about the LCD pin configuration, so LCD pin configuration we are having 8 data lines, 3 control pins and 2 power supply pins. Okay, so 2 power supply pins like positive and negative we are connecting with the 5 volt of LPC2148 microcontroller, and ground we are connecting to the ground of this one. These 3 RSRW enable control pins we are connecting with the port 0, pin number 8, pin number 9, pin number 10 respectively. Means RS we need to connect with the port 0.8, RW we need to connect with the port 0.9, and enable we need to connect with the port 0.10. And the data lines we need, for data lines we chosen the port like port 0. In your case you can choose different port also, it's up to you guys. In my case I am using port 0.0 for D0, port 0.1 for D1, port 0.2 for D2 and port 0.3 for D3. Likewise we need to connect port 0.7 with the D7 of LPC, this LCD 2 cross 16 cross 2 LCD, and this is the, it is coming with the base, and here one potentiometer is given to set the contrast, and this is USB to UART converter. To in order to upload the code we need this one. So all setup is now completed, all interfacing part now we have the clear idea, as well as in the coding part also we already know which pin we need to connect where. Now to check to give the demo you guys, I got this one. So directly I can't use alcohol and all because I'm not using it. So I use in case of alcohol I am using this one, this perfume. In that perfume alcohol alcohol content is available. So instead of using directly alcohol we can use this one. So this we are going for checking purpose. So now you can see it here, and now it is in a normal condition. So see on the LCD it is nothing is displaying. The moment when I will spray this perfume, so what will happen, it will get alcohol content, and on the LCD it will show alcohol detected. Okay, so you can see now alcohol detected, and backside you can see it, the green LED is blinking, that is means it is exceeding the threshold value. So now you can clearly see that alcohol detected. So it will take some time to settle down. Okay, because inside the alcohol sensor some heating element is there. So once it is coming in contact with alcohol or smoke, it is giving some values. So now it will always show the alcohol detected, After some 1 or 2 minutes, when it will settle down, it will become normal. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in the next tutorial.